What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B/3 here, back again with a Fit Gamer fight move straight from Batman Arkham Asylum. We're looking at one of his combo takedowns in this video. You guys have been asking a lot for this stuff. Let's get to it. The opponent's going to be in the left lead and throwing a rear-handed shot. So as that shot comes in, Batman's going to dive down and capture his front leg here. As he's diving down, he's going to turn all the way to where the end of his foot here, the side of his foot, is on Batman's right side as he hugs the leg. So he dives in, boom, gets that leg and hugs it. As you can see, Chris is already losing his balance. So as we hug this knee and we turn our body, it's going to cause him to fall over on his stomach. And we capture the leg coming up. Grab the heel as we come up here, and literally Batman just torques this all the way around, capturing that ankle and breaking the ankle, and then possibly torquing that knee as well as he goes boom, and he turns that all the way around. Now as Chris performs this combo takedown on me, I'm going to throw that punch. He's going to dive in, circle around the leg. As he hugs it, he's going to bring it. See my foot torquing now? If I resist this, this is really going to torque out my ankle and my knee. So I got to go with it as he's turning. Boom! I go to the ground, he lifts up, and he torques that knee, bringing the toes to the other side. And that's that. One thing I liked about this particular move was that when it happened in the game for the first time, I was like, whoa, what was that? It's very surprising. You don't expect Batman to start rolling around doing single leg takedowns like this, but when that shot comes in, this opponent's not expecting me to go down here all the way to get his leg. I mean, that's just very unconventional. In a multiple opponent situation, not the best idea, because now I'm stuck on the ground, you know, grappling with this guy, and I got more people coming at me, but single on single, torque this knee, this guy's done. All right, so there you have it for this Fit Gamer fight move. Again, Batman Arkham Asylum combo takedown. Taking down the leg with that torquing single leg takedown, and then really just cranking that ankle and that knee at the end. Again, very unconventional, very surprising. Not the best idea against multiple opponents, but Batman has all of his gadgets and his armor on, so he's good to go. If you guys like this video, give us that thumbs up. Thanks to Chris for helping me out on this one. Again, be safe with this one. If you do train it very, very slowly. As always, game on, stay fit, keep on training, guys. We'll see you in the next Fit Gamer fight move. He's rolling on the ground and he's flipping the guy around. It's my leg now. Crack. Puts it on his back. Zip.
You know how he does in the game?
Yeah, he looks
like it's just, everything's back there.
Yeah. Puts the leg in the utility belt, moves on, you know, go after the Joker, get through the rest of the game.